Open shelf kitchens have become a favorite in both modern and traditional homes, and for good reason. These airy, stylish alternatives to closed cabinetry offer a sense of openness and accessibility that transforms the feel of a kitchen. Whether you're working with a spacious layout or a cozy corner, open shelves make your kitchen feel lighter, more personal, and infinitely more adaptable. They're not just for storage, they're for display, for storytelling, and for blending utility with elegance. From rustic wood planks to sleek metal brackets, open shelving gives you a chance to mix practicality with beauty, creating a space that feels curated, lived in, and welcoming. The beauty of open shelving lies in its dual purpose. It must serve as both practical storage and aesthetic statement. Everyday essentials of plates, bowls, mugs, take center stage when stored on open shelves, making it easy to grab what you need while adding visual rhythm to your kitchen. The key is balance. Keep frequently used items within easy reach and tuck less used or purely decorative pieces higher up. Choose shelf materials that complement your kitchen's overall tone, warm wood for a cozy, farmhouse feel, or sleek glass or metal for something more modern. Even spices, oils, and jars can become design elements when displayed with intention. When form and function dance in sync, your kitchen shelves become more than just storage, they become a reflection of your lifestyle. Love the simplicity and charm of open shelving? Like and share this video with someone looking to refresh their kitchen. When you walk into a kitchen with open shelves, the visual experience is immediate. There's no guessing what's behind a door or hidden in a cabinet. Everything is laid out, asking for attention. That's why creating visual harmony is essential. With open shelving, organization becomes part of the design. Grouping similar items together by type, color, or texture helps create flow and reduces the feeling of visual chaos. Start with a base of consistency, perhaps all white dishes or neutral-toned stoneware, and then layer in accents. A touch of greenery, a pop of copper, a soft linen napkin, all these elements bring warmth and interest. Even spacing matters. Too much on one shelf can feel heavy, while too little can feel sparse. Varying heights, using risers, stacking horizontally or vertically, these are tricks that add movement and depth. Open shelving also supports spatial flow. It makes the kitchen feel wider, more breathable. It invites natural light to move through the room, especially in smaller or darker spaces where traditional upper cabinets can feel confining. The result? A kitchen that's not only more organized but also more welcoming. Are you team minimalist display or cozy clutter? Tell us your favorite open shelf style in the comments below. What sets open shelving apart from traditional storage is how seamlessly it invites personality into the kitchen. It's not just about bowls and plates, it's about expression. A vintage scale passed down through generations. A hand-painted vase from a market trip. Cookbooks with spines faded from use. These are the kinds of items that make your kitchen feel uniquely yours. Decor doesn't need to dominate the shelves, it just needs to be intentional. A small framed photo, a candle, or a potted herb can soften the space and make it feel less like a showroom and more like a lived-in home. Seasonal touches also work beautifully, pine cones and evergreens in winter, fresh flowers in spring, colorful ceramics in summer. Plants are especially wonderful on open shelves. They add life, color, and texture. A trailing pothose on a top shelf, a basil plant near the stove, it's both functional and beautiful. Your shelves become a rotating gallery of your evolving taste, with each item contributing to a warm, personal narrative. For more kitchen inspiration, clever storage ideas, and home styling tips, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. For those with limited square footage, open shelving can be a game changer. In compact kitchens, every inch counts, and bulky cabinetry often makes the space feel boxed in. Open shelves, on the other hand, create visual breathing room. They expand the eye upward, making ceilings feel taller and walls feel wider. This illusion of space is especially powerful in narrow galley kitchens or urban apartments where every design choice matters. But open shelves aren't just about appearance, they're also highly practical in small spaces. You gain instant access to what you need, which can speed up meal prep and reduce clutter. By dedicating a few shelves to your most used items, like mugs, mixing bowls, and spices, you avoid the constant opening and closing of cabinet doors. And because the storage is visible, it encourages you to stay tidy and thoughtful in your organization. Strategically pairing open shelves with closed cabinets can offer the best of both worlds. Keep less attractive items like plastic containers or cleaning supplies hidden, while showcasing your best kitchenware on display. Use corners, wall recesses, or even space above windows to install shelves and increase utility. Small doesn't have to mean limited. Open shelving shows you how to stretch your kitchen's potential. Open shelving isn't just a trend, it's an invitation to live more intentionally. It encourages a mindset of openness, not only in design but in the way we experience our spaces. With every exposed dish and carefully placed object, we're reminded that the kitchen is more than a functional room. It's a stage for daily rituals, for quiet mornings and loud family dinners, for slow brewing cups of coffee and hurried breakfasts before work. Open shelving allows those moments to breathe, to be seen, and to be appreciated. There's a kind of honesty in open shelves. Nothing is hidden behind doors. There's no mystery, just clarity. What you use, what you love, what you choose to surround yourself with, it's all on display. And that transparency is powerful. It simplifies the decision-making process. It helps reduce excess. And most importantly, it turns storage into an opportunity for self-expression. Every plate you choose to stack, every jar of spice you line up, every cookbook you lean against the wall, they all say something about who you are, how you live, and what matters most in your day-to-day life. Your kitchen begins to reflect your values, whether that's simplicity, creativity, sustainability, or hospitality. And while open shelves may seem like a design challenge at first, they quickly become a source of joy. You start to notice the beauty in ordinary things, a coffee mug, a woven basket, a vintage salt cellar. You begin curating your kitchen not as a showcase for others, but as a sanctuary for yourself. There's rhythm in how you place items. There's movement in how they shift with the seasons. A cozy autumn display with amber glass and cinnamon sticks gives way to spring's fresh whites and herbs. With open shelving, your kitchen never feels stuck. It's a living space, ever-changing, constantly in motion, and always welcoming. For small homes, open shelving can expand what seems like limited space. For larger kitchens, it can break up heavy cabinetry and introduce lightness. For minimalists, it offers clarity. For collectors, it offers a gallery. For chefs, it offers function. And for families, it offers connection. There's no one right way to use open shelves. There's only your way, and that's what makes them so special.